Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to talk about AAVE. Now, in case that you are a new viewer, you should know that in terms of what is happening in mid to long term, I am absolutely optimistic in AAVE, and I think this is an impulse into a wave 1 to about the lowest low down here around $50. We are having a correction for wave 2, probably a WXY in form of a double zigzag, and from here, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up in form of an expanding leading diagonal, and followed by that we are having a correction down starting from the highest high all the way up here about $405 to about the lowest low down here about $165. Now after this correction is over, I expect AAVE to go up big time, and in that phase I'm thinking we are able to set an all-time high and take the highest high all the way up here about, let's just hide everything, sorry about that. Okay, as you can see, $660. Why is that? Because in my primary case, I believe this is a wave 1, this is a correction for wave 2, and well, the next move according to this scenario is gonna be a big one up into wave 3 and 4 and 5. So in terms of overall the structures, we are looking great. Now, what is happening just in this correction down? Can we argue the bottom is actually in on AAVE, and from here we can get a big move up? The answer is yes, but here's a very important point for you. In terms of classic technical analysis, meaning support and resistances, sure, we are actually having a very decent support right in here, which is mostly from daily time frame, and it is kind of a support on weekly time frame, but I would say it's actually a weak one. But here is the situation. Under here, we are having a much more stronger and important of a support area from daily and weekly time frame at the same time. And again, this is just that much of a bigger support between $130 to about $150. And in an ideal scenario, I want to see AAVE do a correction and then another move down in order to reach to about here. And from this region, I'm expecting a very strong move up. So what's the point that I'm trying to make? In AAVE, in my opinion, we are at the final stages of this whole move down, and any kind of move on the downside from here moving forward, for me, and again, this is just my personal opinion, is going to be a buy the dip opportunity, because again, after this correction is over, I'm expecting some serious fireworks to come in AAVE, and in that move, we are probably going to set an all-time high and take the highest side. So for now, the bottom can be in. Yes, absolutely, but do not rule out the possibility of having one more move down. And if we do get something like this, don't be surprised. This move is probably not going to be even that deep. And I hope I explained that well and you understood what is going on in AAVE chart. And until the next update, have a wonderful time with your family and loved ones. Goodbye.